Hi and welcome to my channel. So if you've watched my previous video, which is right here, I shared my weight loss journey till now and how the keto diet, rather the keto lifestyle, actually saved my life. So today I'm going to be telling you about a few steps, or the first few steps you should take if you're a beginner and you want to start the keto diet. So here goes. Number 1, mentally prepare yourself. Remember, this is a lifestyle. It is not just a diet. It's not something that you're going to tell yourself that you're going to follow for a week or try for a month or a few months. This is a lifestyle, so be ready for it. It's not difficult once you're keto adapted and you're used to it, but initially you're going to really think that it's hard to give up those carbs, pastas and the rice and the potatoes and everything else. It's not difficult. Number 2, keep realistic goals for yourself. Remember, not everyone's the same. You're probably going to hear of stories of people who've lost 20 pounds and 40 pounds in a month, and it just might not work that way for everybody. Everybody's different. Just be happy that there is weight loss going on, no matter how big or how small, because then you know that you are in a state of ketosis and this diet is working for you. Number 3, track your macros. What are macros? Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So you can track your macros on a daily basis, every meal that you have, using different apps that are available on both the iOS as well as Android. I use the Carb Manager app and it works perfectly. It tells you what percentage of carbohydrates, fats and proteins you've consumed. It also gives you the calories you've consumed. It helps you keep track of the water intake and everything, so it works really well. Number 4, home cook your meals. No takeaway, no dining in restaurants. Yes, it's unavoidable at times where you have to go to somebody else's house or you have to dine out, but keep your meals homemade at least 80% of the time. So it's easier to track those macros and what exactly you're putting into your food to help with the ketosis. Number 5, drink lots and lots of water. Your liver is doing a lot of work when you're in the state of ketosis and you need to be hydrated. If you are not hydrated, you are damaging your liver. So remember to drink enough water. And as I mentioned, the carb tracker, the app that I was using, you can track how much water you drink in a day. Number 6, exercise. Yes, get physical. You have to exercise with any form of diet, and whether you're on a diet or not, you need to do some form of exercise. So I would suggest doing high intensity interval training. That's when you do high intensity workout where you bring your heart rate to a high level for a certain amount of time and then do a low intensity exercise to bring down that heart rate and then go back to something that will increase your heart rate. This works really, really well with the keto diet according to my experience. Number 7, clear those kitchen cabinets and the refrigerator of all the sugars and carbs. Don't keep anything that would tempt you to eat any of all that around. You don't need it. I know it's difficult if you have family. If you have family, keep it aside for them and keep one section of the refrigerator or the freezer for you with all the healthy fats like meats, or if you're vegetarian, avocados and butter and ghee and coconut oil and all those lovely keto friendly foods. Okay, so Coco, my cat, decided to join us. That's Coco. Say hi, Coco. anyway, guys, those are the few tips that I have for you to start the keto diet. It's not hard at all. All you have to do is stay within your macros, stay active, stay hydrated, and most importantly, stay positive. I'm going to be uploading a lot of recipes and also a sample day of eating the keto diet. I'm going to track everything that I've eaten. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you will benefit a lot by this. I have tried and tested the keto diet. I have lost over 25 kgs till date, and it's really helped me get back my life. So until next time, bye bye.